A procurement game changer. In today's data-driven world, procurement teams are under immense pressure to do more with less. We from the procurement team can help you gain more insights into your procurement processes. They need to cut costs, increase value, mitigate risks, and ensure compliance, all while navigating complex supply chains. This is where the procurement team and Power BI come in, offering a robust solution to transform procurement processes and drive better outcomes. Power BI is a powerful business intelligence tool from Microsoft. It enables organizations to visualize data, identify trends, create forecasts, and make informed decisions. Procurement generates massive amounts of data. This data often remains siloed in different systems. Power BI breaks down these data silos. It aggregates data from various sources, providing a holistic view of procurement operations beyond boundaries. With interactive dashboards and reports, Power BI brings data to life. This allows procurement professionals to easily understand complex information. They can then use this information to make strategic decisions. Power BI empowers procurement teams to move beyond spreadsheets. It enables them to embrace data-driven decision-making. By providing actionable insights, Power BI helps organizations optimize their procurement processes. This results in significant cost savings, improved efficiency, and reduced risks. Unlocking value with a visualization tool. Spend analysis is the foundation of every strategic procurement. It involves examining spending patterns to identify opportunities for cost savings and efficiency gains. Power BI excels in spend analysis. It provides tools to visualize spending by category, supplier, and time period. Procurement professionals can quickly identify areas of overspending. They can also pinpoint opportunities for contract negotiation. Power BI also enables the creation of supplier scorecards. These scorecards track key performance indicators such as on-time delivery, product quality, and responsiveness. Organizations can identify their top performers and trailing suppliers by visualizing supplier performance. They can also address areas where suppliers need improvement. This data-driven approach to supplier management fosters stronger relationships. It also leads to better contractual terms and reduced risks. Through interactive dashboards, Power BI allows for almost real-time supplier performance monitoring. This enables procurement teams to proactively address potential issues before they escalate. By having a clear picture of supplier performance, organizations can make informed decisions about supplier selection, contract renewals, and performance improvement plans. Navigating the future of procurement. In today's volatile market, effective demand forecasting is crucial for procurement success. Power BI provides the tools to predict future demand accurately based on historical data. By analyzing historical data, Power BI can identify trends and seasonality patterns. This information is essential for optimizing inventory levels, reducing stockouts, and minimizing waste. Furthermore, Power BI facilitates scenario testing. This allows procurement professionals to model the impact of different variables on demand. For example, they can assess how changes in economic conditions or the introduction of new products might affect demand. This ability to test different scenarios in quasi-real-time empowers organizations to make proactive decisions and adapt to changing market dynamics. Scenario testing with this tool provides valuable insights for strategic planning. Procurement teams can use these insights to develop contingency plans and ensure business continuity. By leveraging the forecasting and planning capabilities of Power BI, organizations can navigate uncertainty with greater confidence and optimize their procurement strategies for long-term success. Building a resilient procurement function. Risk and compliance. Procurement carries inherent risks, from supply chain disruptions to compliance violations. Power BI helps organizations build a more resilient procurement function by providing tools to identify, assess, and mitigate these risks. One of the key features of Power BI in risk management is supplier risk assessment. Power BI enables the creation of risk profiles for each supplier. These profiles consider factors like financial stability, geopolitical risks, and compliance history. By visualizing supplier risk, organizations can make informed decisions about supplier selection and contract negotiations. Power BI also plays a crucial role in compliance monitoring. Organizations can use Power BI to track adherence to internal policies and external regulations. For example, they can monitor supplier diversity, ethical sourcing practices, and contract compliance. By automating compliance tracking and reporting, Power BI reduces the risk of costly penalties and reputational damage. Power BI's ability to connect to various data sources is particularly valuable in risk and compliance monitoring. It allows organizations to consolidate data from different systems, providing a comprehensive view of their risk exposure. This holistic view enables them to make informed decisions that enhance the resilience of their procurement operations. Streamlining procurement for maximum impact. The power of optimization. Power BI is not just about gathering insights, it's about driving action. The platform empowers organizations to optimize their procurement processes for maximum efficiency and cost savings. By analyzing data from the entire procurement cycle, procure to pay, Power BI identifies bottlenecks and areas for improvement but can show also strengths. For instance, Power BI can analyze the time taken for each step in the procurement cycle. This includes requisition approval, purchase order processing, RFP cycles, and goods receipt. By identifying delays and inefficiencies, organizations can streamline their processes and reduce the time it takes to procure goods and services. This not only saves time, but also reduces costs associated with delays and errors. One of the critical advantages of Power BI is its ability to enable quasi-real-time data modification and analysis. This means that as soon as data is updated in the source system, the changes are reflected in the Power BI dashboards and reports. This real-time visibility allows for more agile decision-making and faster response times. It also means that procurement professionals always have access to the most up-to-date information. This is essential for making informed decisions in today's fast-paced business environment. We, from the procurement team, can help you to implement such a powerful tool. Test us.